Weather for Weather Geeks time. Hello, everyone. It's Wednesday evening. It's Eric, your humble host here, and I will show my face. There I am. Welcome back, everyone, to the Valley's geekiest, most in-depth, most detailed, whatever adjective you want to use to describe this video. This is it. This is for the weather geeks out there. This is for the people whose business and livelihood may depend on the weather, and you need more information, more detail than you can get on TV or with your app or anything like that. So this is the video for you. If you're new to this, we do this every evening, weekdays. Usually it's a recorded version that goes online by about 8 o'clock, but sometimes I do this live depending on the weather, and tomorrow evening might be one of those situations where we do Weather for Weather Geeks live here on Facebook. All right, 2-degree guarantee. This is one of those things that we show you every now and then to kind of keep ourselves in check. We keep track of our accuracy around here when it comes to temperatures, particularly. We call this the 2-degree guarantee because we strive to get the forecast right within 2 degrees for the daytime high each day. Our forecast today was for 80. We hit 78 at the airport, so that was good enough for a check mark today. Now our 2017 accuracy is at 68%. We finished 2016 with an accuracy rate in the 70s. And we'll get back up there as we get into the summer season, and our daily forecasts tend to become a little less challenging when we're in kind of the heart of either summer or winter. The transitional seasons tend to be a little more difficult when it comes to temperature forecasting. Another calendar view here showing our day-by-day temperatures this month compared to average. All the orange boxes are warmer than average days. As you can see, we've only had 4 cooler than average days, and we're up to third now in the list of warmest Aprils on record here in Youngstown. I don't think we're going to make it to the top of the list. I think that's probably out of reach, but we'll either probably finish in second or third place on the April list. When I recorded this evening at about 7:25 p.m., the sun was still about 55 minutes away from setting, and it's warm outside. This is our downtown reading here at our downtown studios, 81 degrees. That's about as warm as it's been all day, and it's going to be a great sunset this evening. If you can catch any pictures of the sunset, weather pics at WFMJ.com is the place to send them along. All right, no severe weather risk here tonight, but as nearby as Northwest Ohio, we do have a severe thunderstorm watch out in the red. That's a tornado watch in the lower Mississippi Valley. Low pressure is moving across the Midwest and dragging a cold front down across parts of the Mississippi Valley this evening. That cold front is kind of like right through here and producing straight line wind damage and the possibility of some spin-up tornadoes within that line down in parts of Louisiana, Mississippi, and Arkansas. The good news for us is, as this system comes east, it's going to lose some of its punch. Now, we don't want to downplay the chance for severe weather tomorrow afternoon, because there is a chance, but I don't think the chance is as high here as it is this evening out to our west. So, starting around mid-afternoon tomorrow, there'll probably be some showers and some gusty thunderstorms in a few spots, but the organization to this is not looking terribly impressive. I think this will be kind of random clusters that move along, not a coherent squall line necessarily. It's going to be somewhat hit or miss, I think. Some of us may get away without any rain tomorrow. Some of us can get, some heavy rain, some downpours, some lightning, and the whole 9 yards. Everything will clear out by sunset at the latest tomorrow evening. So the hour-by-hour rain chances look like this, kind of peaking between 2 and 6 p.m. tomorrow, and then ramping back down as we go towards sunset tomorrow evening. If you want to mow the yard or get outdoors tomorrow morning, no problems whatsoever. It's going to be warm and still reasonably sunny for the morning. Now, the Storm Prediction Center does have all of Ohio and western PA in the low-end risk for severe weather. So this is, kind of one of the lower categories. It generally means when they issue this, that means isolated severe storms are possible. They would be limited in coverage and intensity. It's not a crazy gangbusters severe weather day tomorrow, I don't think. But we do have that risk anyway. The risk is not zero. It's higher than zero. That some of these storms could be locally strong to perhaps severe. Number one threat would be a damaging wind gust. There could be some large hail as well. And an isolated tornado is something that can't 100% be ruled out given the setup tomorrow. It's just, that's at the very low end of the chances of different types of weather occurring. All right, we're going to be in between systems on Friday. We'll start with some sun. Clouds will increase. And I don't think those clouds produce any rain until late Friday night into Saturday. Now, The weekend forecast, of course, has been going downhill. I did not have to keep chopping away at our temperature forecast for Saturday, though. I thought I might have to take it down even more, but I left the 68 that we had for a forecast high. We're going to be on the wrong side of this front for a lot of Saturday, and what I mean by that is it's going to be real warm in southern Ohio, but north of I-70 and especially north of Route 30, we're going to struggle. There's probably going to be a few rounds of rain. Does it rain all day Saturday? No, I don't think so, but I think there'll probably be a few rounds of rain. It'll rain a few times, and clouds will dominate, and temperatures will struggle a bit as a result. Sunday, still promising to be the warmer half of the weekend. Here's a look at the atmospheric moisture as we go into the next several days. The reason why, or one of the reasons why, Saturday is not looking so great, again, that stalled front right in through here. And moisture is going to kind of go up and over that front, and the result will be precipitation, rain, that'll fall on a few occasions on Saturday. Sunday could be kind of humid, and we've jacked our temperature up to 81 Sunday afternoon, so it could be kind of a day like today. The threat of shower and thunderstorm is there Sunday, but I don't think it's an all-day rain by any stretch of the imagination, and I think there's probably lots of dry time on Sunday, just the threat of a shower and storm. A better chance to get wet probably Sunday night into Monday morning along the actual cold front. That cold front will probably roll through before lunchtime on Monday. It'll be out here Sunday evening and then kind of over Ohio Monday morning and midday. And behind that, a noticeable change in the air mass next week. We're talking about cooler temperatures, and a distinctly different air mass as we roll into the month of May. In fact, let's hop over and show you the general pattern for next week. We're looking at temperature anomalies here. There's the warmth in the orange and the brown for through the weekend, and then those cooler colors, the blues and greens and purples, move into Ohio and Pennsylvania Tuesday, Wednesday, maybe a reinforcing shot at the end of next week. So this will be our coolest stretch of weather compared to average that we've had since March, coming our way early on next week. We've only had a few below average days in April, and they weren't all in a row. So this will be, compared to average, the coolest weather we've had since March during the course of next week. It looks like the pattern will try to warm up during the second week of May, but it's not real impressive looking on any of the modeling. This is the European modeling, but other modeling singing kind of a similar song. May overall should be much, much closer to average than April. There may even be a risk that May will be cooler than average. Not sure about that yet. We'll come out with our official May forecast 2 days from now on Friday. We'll take a stab at it and show you what we expect, not only in terms of temperatures, but in terms of rainfall compared to average as we go into the final month of meteorological spring. Thanks for watching Weather for Weather Geeks tonight. I'll see you tonight on 21 News at 11 o'clock. Have a great night.